Good morning, students. Now, in the last session, we studied the what is probability, what is random experiment, the outcomes, and the equally likely outcomes. Okay. Now, in this session, I am going to explain you about the sample space and event also. Sample space means what? Firstly, we will see. In the study of probability, an experiment is a process or the investigation from which results are observed or recorded. Okay, so an outcome is a possible result. All of you know very well. So a sample space is a set of all possible outcomes in the experiment. It is usually denoted by the letter years, and sample space can be written using the set donation, because what it is a set of all possible outcomes. So all of you know the set denotation, the notation of the set. It is denoted by the it is denoted by curly braces. So set of all possible outcomes in the experiment, it is denoted by the letter years, and the sample space can be written using the set notation. Now all of you know this is very well, because in first lesson only we learn how to write the element of set in a curly braces separated by comma. Same concept we are going to use to write the sample space. Now simple example, tossing a coin. How many outcomes are there? 2, H, head and tail. So possible outcomes are head or tail, and therefore the sample space for tossing a coin is S is equal to, in curly bracket, head comma tail, and this is the denotation of a sample space. Now second, tossing a die. How many possible outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so sample space is S is equal to, in curly braces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called as a sample space. Simple. Picking a card. In an experiment, a card is picked from a stack of 6 cards which spell the word. How many cards are there? 6. On each card, what is the spell is there? PASCAL. So possible outcomes are maybe P, maybe A, S, C, A, L. But what happened? A is repeating. So what we are taking? A1 and A2. And therefore, for this picking a card from a Pascal word, the sample space for such experiment is S is equal to PA1 SC A2 L, separated by a comma. It is compulsory. Here comma I forgot, I think. It is compulsory to separate the comma. So experiment 4, picking a 2 marble one at a time from a bag that contains many blue red marble. Picking a 2 marbles one at a time from a bag which contain blue and red marble. Now listen, possible outcomes are 2 marbles we have to at a time we have to pick up. So maybe both are blue, maybe one is blue, another is red, maybe first one is red and another is blue, or maybe both are red. So these 4 outcomes are there. We can denote it by B1 B2, B1 R1, R2 B1 B2 and R1 R2. In this way also we can denote. It is depends on you. And the sample space I use the, for B I use the blue, I use the B letter, and for red I use the R letter. And therefore for this experiment the sample space is B comma B, B comma R, R comma B and R comma R. And this is a one only element, so every element we have to separate by the comma and enclosed in a curly braces. These 2 examples I took out of the textbook. Okay, so this also you have to, all these things points you have to mention in your notebook. Understood what is sample space? Now for each of the following experiment with the sample space years and the number of sample point n of years. Now sample space is denoted by years. And how many number of outcomes or number of points are there in a sample space? It is denoted by n of years. So one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Listen, at a time or simultaneously result is same. At a time or simultaneously result. So see the first question. For each of the following experiment, write the sample space years and number of sample point n of years. Now one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Listen. What is the question? One coin, one die. For one coin, how many outcomes are there? Head and tail. And for one die, how many outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 number. So the sample space for one coin and one die at a time or simultaneously? एट अ टाइम भी रिजल्ट सेम आता है और साइमल्टेनियसली भी रिजल्ट सेम आता है. पहले अगर आप वन कॉइन टॉस करो क्या आया? एच. और वन डाई थ्रो करो क्या आया? 1. सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट आउटकम. सो एच के साथ क्या आ सकता है? 2, एच के साथ 3, एच के साथ 4, एच के साथ 5 और एच के साथ 6. सो दीज आर द 6 आउटकम्स. नाउ टी के साथ 1, टी के साथ 2, टी के साथ 3, टी के साथ 4 एंड टी के साथ 5 एंड टी के साथ 6. सो टोटल आउटकम्स आर 12. Here it is not come 1 comma h 2 comma h, it is same only. Yeah? If it is like this, then it is same only. Okay, now second, so n of s is how much? N of s means total number of outcome. These are 12. Now 2-digit number are formed using the 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. That is very important. Without repeating a digit. Okay, so how to write is 2, 3, 2 के साथ 3, 2 के साथ 5 खत्म. 3 के साथ 2, 3 के साथ 5 finish. 5 के साथ 3, 5 के साथ 2 finish. So how many are there? 6. So n of s means number of outcomes, number of element of sample space. So here shortly you can say number of sample space. Okay, now the arrow is denoted and it stops randomly on the disk. Find out which color it may stop. Now listen, all of you know the very well. Now this is round. On this round, these 1, 2, 6 colors are there and one arrow is there. When you are moving the round, after moving, which are the possibilities for this sample space? Maybe red will come, orange, yellow, blue, green and purple. Means total n of s is 6. Arrow may stop on any one of the 6 color. After round, when you are rotating that circle, then randomly on any color that arrow will stop. Third question. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. Very simple. Now see the calendar for this March 2019. Okay. So date which are multiples of 5? 5. After that 10. After that 15. Then 20. 25 and 30. So these are the number which are multiples of 5. So what is the sample space for this date? 5. Date is Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Saturday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So n of s is 6. Okay. So the day on which the date will be a multiple of 5 are Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Saturday. Okay. So very simple it is. Just you have to write in the form of a set. Now the last question. Now see, same question you have to do for the homework. What is homework? Same question. Take a March 2020 calendar and send me up to the session. Now from a road safety committee of two boys, B1, B2, it is already given, and 2 girls, G1 and G2, it is also already given. So complete the activity for the sample space. Committee of 2 boys are B1, B2. Committee of, this is the activity. So 2 marks activity, it will ask for the 2 marks. Okay. And always remember, when you are writing the activity, to draw the boxes are compulsory. If you are solving the activities and after activities you not drawn the boxes, you will get the 0 marks. So the committee of 2 boys is B1 B2. Committee of 2 girls is G1 G2. This is a board rule, huh? So don't be take easily it is. Committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. Now see B1 G1 B1 G2 B2 G1 B2 G2. So total N of S is B1 B1, that is maybe B1 B2 and G1 G2. And then this 4 committee of 1 boy and 1 girl is B1 G1 B1 G2 B1 B2 G1 B2 G2. So total are 6. And if you are writing the N of S for this, if you are writing the N of years, it is equal to 6. So understood? So for the activity based question, to draw the boxes are compulsory. If in your board exam, if you are not drawing the boxes and you completed the question correctly, then also you will not get the full marks. You will get the 0 marks. Similarly, for the objective type of questions, if you are not mentioning the correct option, means first question B, first question C, like this, then you will not get the marks. To choose the correct option and mention the option is also compulsory. Okay, so students, all these points you have to mention in your notebook. Now see, this is the next sample space, the set of all possible outcomes of random experiment. It is denoted by S or omega sign. Each element of a sample space is called as a sample point. The number of elements in the sample space is denoted by N of S. And if N of S is a finite means a countable, then the sample space is called as a finite sample space. And these all of you know, in the books it is already given that these are the random experiments and these are the sample space and this is a N of S. So one coin toss, H or T, H comma T, these two only outcomes are there. 2 coins are tossed, like this also experiment is there, or similarly 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, then also result is same. If 3 coins are tossed or 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, then also outcomes are same. So all these things you have to read, you have to mention properly in your notebook, and whatever homework I given, that also you have to solve. Okay students, so today I am going to stop here. If you have any doubt in the session time or in a Zoom meeting, you can ask me.